Hello guys again and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing, and today we've got this Parkside universal dowel jig. Includes an adjustable stop with a retaining screw, adjustable without tools, suitable for boards 12 to 30 millimeters thick, for perfect corner, T and butt joints in a board and wood. You can see how it looks, what you can do. Well, let's open and see what we have inside and how we can use it. Inside we're gonna find out the manual. If you want to read it, is your choice, but stay with me, I'm gonna find out all about this product. Ergonomic handle here. We've got the 3 steel boring brushes. It is 6, 8 and 10 millimeter. 3 guiding grooves for perfectly aligning dowel holes. We've got 1 adjustable stop with retaining screw, adjustable without tools. There's the screw, unscrew that and adjust it. And this plastic, it will go in this position. And here you can see we've got the measurement. You can slide, adjust, find the right length, tied it very well. And let's move on and make some holes. Okay, we've got these 2 woods and I need to connect them together. They've got the same thickness. We've got the dowels 10, 6 and 8 millimeters. I will use the 8 millimeters diameter. 3. Now mark the area of the wood you want to do that. At this wood, this is the number 1 and this is the number 2. At the number 1 wood, mark 1 here, 1 here and another one here. Great. Now let's make the holes. Here's the wood. We need the drill. We've got the drill bit and it will go at the 8 millimeter hole. There's the 8 millimeter hole and it fits perfectly. I have taped it not to go further than this length. And I think we are in the middle. You need the 8 millimeter hole as I said, and insert the wood between these 2 plastics. Just like that. And inside I can see the mark through the hole. It is in the middle, and now with my drill I can do the hole. And we are okay. Same and to the other 3. And the hole, it is exactly at the middle of the wood. Take the dowels and you can see they're fitting perfectly. Now next we need to install this plastic here. Take out the screw and it goes here. I just show you. And now we need to make the measurement. We need the 8 and screw it very well. That's how we can drill and the other wood, the other 3 holes. Now take the other wood. And now we've got the 2 woods together. Dowel at the 8 hole and make the drill. Same goes and for the other two. And that was all. And let's see now if they are synchronized together and fit perfectly. Oh yeah, they are fitting perfectly. Alignment very well. Nice, I like it. And that's how you can connect with dowels these two woods. Now I'm going to try another way. Let's take this out. At angle 90 degrees I will connect these two woods. How to do that? Well, that is a very easy process. And again, we've got already the wood with the 3 holes. Clamp it not too hard. We need to make some adjustments. Take your tool. Reference point, it is this plastic. Tight it very well. It was already adjusted for the test that I made for these two woods to connect them together. Same on this side. Perfect. Check it again. We are okay. Tied it very well now. Insert one dowel here. And of course we need to make the adjustments not to drill to come out all the way out. And the first hole goes here. Take the dowel out, insert it to the other hole, and repeat. And same again to the other hole. And we've got 3 holes again. Inserting all the dowels at this wood. Let's connect it now. Oh yeah, there it is. We've got a 90 degrees wood here, connected with dowels. Nice. Alignment very well. Nice. Well guys, if you need to use this tool to make dowels, connect 2 woods together at corners straight, at any way you want, definitely it is a very good tool. It costs only €5 and it can make your life so easy. I like it. And with all that guys, this is the end of the video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It takes only 1 second. Press the subscribe button. Share this video, you never know who may need it. Hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Like or dislike my videos, your choice. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.